Hey, hey today guys, we're gonna be going to today guys, we're in Central Kansas and I'm gonna be going to the Fnaf and basically showing y'all what Fnaf is and doing it. Well, I'm gonna try to do it. If the night is too high, then I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna just show y'all. Well, I'm gonna do it a bit more. I'm gonna show y'all where the Fnaf is, and I'm gonna just play some of the game, And yeah, I'm just get into it. Yep. This is a little video. I'm bored, so I'm making a little video for y'all on board PD. Yep. This is my second channel, so yeah. I'll go check out my main channel, which is PD, P-E-T-E-Y. So yeah, let's just get into it. I got my 2003 dually right here. No single cab, 3,500. I can't believe like these car brands are going crazy, bro. For the V8. But dang, these car brands are going crazy, bro. They're just deleting games left and right. It's crazy. Like, I really want to port in this game, but like, it's going crazy. Like, I don't know what's going on. Like, if anything, they're trying to like help y'all, sponsor y'all. Let's sponsor, like we are sponsoring y'all. I don't get why they're doing this, but it's what it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and head to Fnaf for y'all, and yeah, and let's get to it. Here's yeah, rah, friend request, okay. And y'all, if you want to friend me, just friend me. And tell me in the comments if you friended me before I can go and check if you friended that. Why did I go this way? Alright, beat. Yeehaw! Lay up. They're going down to Alabama. They're going down to Alabama. Radio. Radio. Going down to Alabama. I cannot rap, bro. I'm gonna take to Fnaf. And I'm not gonna speed it up because y'all need to watch it. Y'all lazy bugs. Y'all gonna enjoy the play. So yeah, we're heading there right now. It's a long trip. It takes like hours to get there. I don't know why they put us so far. But it's whatever. And this map is so big, I'm trying to make a game like this. Well, I'm making a game. And it's about to come out soon. So, it's a car game. And it's about to come out soon. Now, like, I'm just really making cars and just making adjustments to the map of my game. And it should be out pretty soon. And my map is just for fun. It's not really based on really anything. It is for fun. It's just for like something to actually do, So don't hate when it's come out, okay? Please. And I tell y'all when it come out. I'll make a video. And for now, watch this. It's getting dark, so we gotta turn my high beams because these lights ain't really that good on this one. The lights ain't really that powerful. I'm just pretending there's music on, and I'm gonna be singing "Sweet Home Alabama, come out to Alabama." We got girlfriends, you know it. up to night 3, I can do it. Like, only up to night 3. And my game's telling me that. Alright, let's go into it. And I'm in a public server, by the way. I can't get in. Oh my god, bro. Who keeps doing this? But the door should open at like 8 p.m. So. Alright, yeah, here we go. It was this idiot, ain't you? It was this idiot. Dumb cat. Your movie sucks. Your movie sucks. Actually, the God. What's the Godfrey movie good, yo? In 2024? It was made in 2024. What's good? But I'm just saying, your movie sucks. Hope you die. Swear like Fnaf. I was about to sit there, brother. What night is it? I don't know, but I don't know what night is it, but probably hopefully good night. Cause we're in sweet home Alabama. Sweet home Alabama. So I will speed this up till it is 12 a.m. Alright. Alright guys, we are back and this set is night 7, so we are cooked, but I guess we could try. I guess we pray now. I guess we pray now. LOL. Become my son. Not 80 seconds, but I don't know the day. Get him got away from I just logged speed. Edit 6, 7, on your head, 6, 7. I got all the. Yep, we're gonna be dead either way. I don't know why they do night 7. It's not like anyone's gonna complete it anyways. Like, it's just crazy. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and play some Fnaf on my phone real quick and just let y'all enjoy us die. I'm gonna go ahead and play some Fnaf. And bro, what's going on? Yep, cooked. We are cooked, chat. We're so cooked. And we're dead. Yep, as I guess, we are dead now. I guess better luck next time, y'all. That was crazy, bro. That was crazy. Oh, that was crazy, y'all. LOL, yeah, got cut out by some router. LOL. No, I'm just sitting right here. Bye, guys. Yep, I'll see y'all guys in the next CKRP video. And bye.